Hello. In this video, we are going to explain how to merge several PDF documents into one single PDF file. For this demonstration, we took 3 presentations in PDF format and are going to combine them into one file. First, we open a browser and go to Expose.pdf merger. And we upload all the necessary files. If our files uploaded with the wrong order, we can easily rearrange them. To change the order of the files, we use the green arrows on each file to raise or lower it on the list. After rearranging, just press the Merge button. Merger works fast. You can get the result in a few seconds. After the merging is complete, just press the Download button. Now, you can see the merged document. So that's all. Thanks for watching this video and see you soon.